This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Welcome, 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 welcome. I hope everybody's having a wonderful weekend. Today is Sunday, and we're going to work on our personal planner. And this is the 22nd through the 28th.
Yes. July is still almost over.
Yeah, it's still almost over.
It's crazy.
Gotta say goodbye to July. So this is our kit.
This is Aloha. These are your full boxes and your full box checklists and some appointment labels. Your glitter headers.
I love glitter headers. I love this sheet.
Your date strips, washi, checklists, icons, half boxes and quarter boxes. There's your checklists, your more half boxes and quarter boxes, and then your headers.
Awesome. So I'm going to start with my date strips.
Yes.
As soon as I get my tweezers. Oh no.
You lost your tweezers?
I'm not seeing the... Oh, here now.
Okay, see?
Phew.
You almost gave me a heart attack.
Yeah. Almost gave me a heart attack. So I'm going to put in my dates, which is the 22nd.
Yeah, I know, the notes part throws you, doesn't it?
It did.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll start with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No, just kidding. Here, I'm a little off to the left, but that's alright.
Still looks nice.
It's my planner.
And it still looks nice.
Yeah. I like the blue on the gray.
Oh, that's just gray. That's black on gray.
No, I have a blue pen.
Oh, gotcha. I was like, I didn't have any blue.
What's wrong with you? No blue?
Yes.
No blue, no blue, no blue. I like the date strips.
Thank you. I figured they'd be easier than a bunch of little headers.
Yeah. Now these are our washies.
Top and bottom.
There we go.
Nice. I like the colors.
Me too.
It's going to pull everything together.
Yay. So, your full boxes, Drea was telling me, fits directly into the box.
Yeah, very little wiggle room, if not maybe 1 millimeter.
So you might be doing a whole lot of stacking.
Yes. But that's also why you only have 4 full decorative boxes and then 4 full check boxes and then a bunch of checklists. That way you can have room to write.
Right.
Because if you're like me, I have to have room to write. All the time. If you're like Mom, you have to have room for stickers.
And then you put a little box on top of the sticker to write something down.
You stack. So see, this is
Yeah.
perfect.
I'm a stacker.
Hiccup. I'm growing.
Yes. Oh, I love it. Aloha.
Oh, you might use the whole sheet.
Oh, almost.
Yeah. You get one for your sidebar.
I do. Before I do that, though, I want to glitterify. Yeah, I think I'm going to go with the red. Or the gold. Or the blue. I'll go with the blue.
Nice.
So what made you come up with this layout? I really love this layout.
Honestly, it was a lot of trial and error. The first time I did it, I only had 6 boxes, and I realized that meant Saturday and Sunday would be squished, like on my original personal. So I wanted them to be individual boxes, so I went in and messed around with it some more, and next thing you know, the notes section is under the Monday, and everything's got its own place.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
I think it looks fantastic.
Thank you.
The
I really
fit really good.
Thanks. I really like it too. It is 104 today.
104, man. That's crazy.
With a supposed low of 76, but it will never reach 76 tonight. Not with the heat.
Yeah.
It'll reach 76 right before it turns back to 90 tomorrow.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I like it.
Oh, yeah, I don't want to use that one. Well,
Too much blue?
yeah, I have another glitter header that'll fit right in there.
Yeah. What are you thinking?
What words I like it? There we go.
Lovely.
Isn't she lovely?
Oh, goodness.
There is our layout, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video for our personal planner. Drea's got this new little setup. It is available in her store.
Yes,
And
it will be when this is up.
if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and we'll be glad to get back to you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye, guys.